Hey, Bo here. Glad you joined today. We're going to make a tag today. I have lots of extra paper, bits of paper. I use this is bits of watercolor paper that's nice and thick and textured, and I just stamped friends on there, have various stamps. And last night I saw something on a blog that triggered me to think about kind of adding layers to a tag. And I actually like this really well. I think it's really cute. It's just that it's a little thin. I use just regular paper and it's a little too thin. I think it would work, but it could tear through. So I thought I'm going to get some scraps and I'm going to see what I can do. So I picked some scraps that kind of go together. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but the start is with some colored scraps that go together. And so I think this will be the tag, the round part of the tag. And I'm going to use a die cutter because these layers, when you put two layers together, hole punching or punching with a puncher just isn't gonna work, I don't think. And I'm hoping that the cutter does work, the die cutter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try, and I'm just gonna randomly try this little, just a random die cut here. So that's a little too small. So I think I'm gonna get a bigger circle for this tag. I think it's gonna jump to this. That's the other advantage with a die cutter. You can, you don't have to buy a whole nother hole punch. So I'm thinking that we'll just give this a try. Okay, so here's our tag. I'm going to hole punch it. And I can put a ribbon on it. Let's go ahead and, it's a big tag. And if you want to put it, I'm going to do 13 inches because 9 makes a nice tag, a ribbon for the tag, but it may not be long enough to loop this through the tag in order to put it on a gift bag handle. So I'm going to tie these first. Okay, and there we have a tag. And so I pulled out some different papers, and I think I might do a solid pink black since I've got my pink ribbon out. And then I kind of like all of these. I like this Friends. I like the two plaids together and even that. So let's see what we get here. All right, so I've decided the larger circle, the biggest part of the tag will be pink, and then we'll have a border background, actually. We'll have a background in a slightly smaller circle. So let's do that. So here we go. We did the die cutting of the circles. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. And then it's got has the little stitching around it. So then we could put Friends on here. Could leave it like that. Or we could add some dots, might be kind of cute. I like that. I like the little pop of green. We'll just center it a little bit more. And then little pink ribbon. I'd use, if I had green, I would, but I don't have that kind of green. So let's do that. Let's put this together. It looks a little bare up here, but by the time you get the hole punch up there, it's going to fill it all in. Okay, so here's our two tags. I like this one much better than that. This one looks hodgepodge. I like hodgepodge, and I like scraps, but that is eclectic, too eclectic, disorganized. This one is coordinated. And I think what I'll do is make some more variations of these because I have plenty of paper. And it does go with all of this. Like some of this busyness could go here, just not in the background. I like the border to be solid, at least at this point. So we'll just kind of keep going and we'll see what we get. But right now, this is the winner.